Why is the pressure low or spray pulsing? Prime the machine, clean nozzle and filter, open tap fully, check O-rings and use narrow nozzles if required. Why did the washer damage paint, wood or tiles? Always spray from 60 to 90 cm away and use wider spray tips 25 to 40 degree for delicate surfaces. What do spray degree means and which one should I use? 0 to 15 degree narrow spray for tough dirt, 20 to 40 degree balance spray for car, bike, floor, 40 to 60 degree gentle wide spray for furniture and glass. Why won't my machine switch on or why does it cut out mid-use? Check power plug, avoid long or thin extension cords, reset MCB or fuse, allow cool down after overheating and contact service team if fuse trips repeatedly. Why is my pressure washer not taking water or suction is inconsistent? Ensure suction hose fully submerged with strainer, tighten connection, clean inlet filter and use tap connection if bucket use isn't supported. Why is pressure washer leaking or hunting on its own? Hand tighten connectors, check or replace O-rings, grease occasionally and avoid pulling machine by hose. Why is my hose stuck or hard to reel? Release pressure before disconnecting, clean connectors, apply oil and reel slowly while guiding hose. Why is the spray gun not releasing water? Clean the trigger gun. Why is the foam not working or too weak? Use soap or foam bottle in low pressure mode. Dilute shampoo in 1:5 or 1:10. Adjust foam knob. Flush soap tube after use. And use Dylect genuine foam accessories. Why does my machine stop suddenly when not in use? Don't leave it running with trigger closed. Let it cool for 5 to 10 minutes before restarting. Why is my machine noisy or vibrating? Reprime the machine, clean nozzle and filter, tighten bolts or seals. And note that light cycling noise is normal. Why does my machine look dirty after a few use? It happens in construction or dusty areas. Wipe after each use, keep on raised surface and use clean water. Why won't my machine start in cold weather? Residual water may freeze, always drain completely and store the machine indoor during winters. How should I shut down and store my pressure washer? Turn off the machine, press the trigger to release pressure, disconnect the hoses, drain the hoses, clean the filters, grease O-rings and store in dry and frost-free area. What should I do after every use? Turn off the machine, press the trigger to release pressure, disconnect the hoses, drain the hoses and wipe the machine with clean cloth. What weekly checks should I do? Clean inlet filter, grease O-rings, inspect hoses for cracks and clear nozzle holes with a cleaning pin. How do I take care of my pressure washer for long term? Follow duty cycle, use 15 to 20 minutes and rest it for 5 minutes. Store in dry or frost-free area during winters. Use clean water, descale occasionally with vinegar. Flush detergent system with clean water after use.